Welcome to Learn English with an iGo. Today, we are going on a world tour without a passport. We will explore where English is spoken, how it is used, and why it matters more than ever. If you are learning English, this will open your eyes and maybe your mindset too. English is not just a language, it is a global connector. Over 1.5 billion people speak English around the world. Some as a first language, many more as a second. That means 1 in 5 people on the planet can speak some level of English. Let that sink in. Let's start with native English speakers. That means people born and raised speaking English as their first language. The Big Five: the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Together, they shape global culture, music, movies, business, education, all in English. Now, let's zoom in on the United Arab Emirates. Here, English is not the first language, but it is everywhere. In malls, hotels, offices, schools, with over 80% of the population made up of expats. English is the common bridge between cultures. It is the language of business and of daily life. In countries like India, the Philippines, Nigeria, South Africa, and many parts of Europe and Asia, English is a second language, but a powerful one. It is used in schools, offices, airports, and governments. In many cases, knowing English opens the door to a better life. Let me ask you something. When you Google something, what language is the answer usually in? English, right? In fact, over 60% of all internet content is in English. So, learning English doesn't just help with communication, it gives you access to knowledge. English is the language of opportunity. It is the language of international business, higher education, air travel, and even science. It is no longer just a language. It is a skill, like using a computer or driving a car. If you are watching from the UK, USA, Canada, Australia, or the UAE, think about how often you hear or use English. Almost every day, right? Now, imagine someone who doesn't speak English. The world would feel smaller, right? English expands your world. Here is something cool. English has many accents: American, British, Australian, South African, even Indian English. And guess what? They are all valid. Don't stress about the accent. Focus on being understood and clear. Fluency is not perfection, it is connection, remember. When you learn English, you don't just learn words. You learn how to connect with people across countries, cultures, and careers. Whether you are applying for a job, traveling abroad, or building your dream life, English is your silent partner. You know what? Some people feel nervous. I didn't grow up in an English-speaking country. But remember, English doesn't belong to native speakers. It belongs to the world. Your voice matters just as much. If you speak clearly, confidently, and kindly, you speak great English. To recap, English is spoken by billions. It is useful in travel, business, and daily life. It is the language of connection, and no matter where you are from, you have every right to master it. Thank you for joining me on this tour of English across the world. In the next video, we will dive into how to set real goals for fluency. Subscribe to learn English with an iGill. And remember, fluency is not a destination, it is a journey, and you are already on the road.